Yeah, Sunday, August 8th, 9th, something. More farmer treasure. Found this on Craigslist Thursday. And it's a Grizzly CGR 84 7-foot 3-point tiller. Young man that had it, he was kind of in a foul mood, not very forthcoming with answers as to age, things like that. Condition is obvious. The stand's bent, which is absolutely nothing. Dirty as hell. Young man said he was the second owner. Doesn't have a lot of use to it. The tines still have paint on them. That's what you look for. This one's got a mini tine to keep the seals cleaned on the ends. Single gearbox, not dual. That's your gear drive over here. Got a slip clutch on it. U-joints were nice and free. It looks like it's been stored under some type of cover all of its life. Your connector pins are still in good shape. That's the only rust on them, is that little strip right there. No owner's manual, never get that. I'd call this thing a medium duty. The frame for your top link, I call that a little bit of a lightweight myself. But it's just metal, nothing to it. I haven't checked anything on it other than rotation. It does rotate real smooth. Of course, I got to open the gearbox drain and see if I got any oil in it. If I don't, then I'll open the gearbox cover and see what I got inside. But it turns a full revolution, no binding. Those are usually a big old chain drive. Got the gearbox on the other side. Saw it the first of the video. There's that bent stabilizing jack's what it is. These things tend to roll on you when you disconnect them from a tractor. Unless you put some 4x stock under the side guides, and then we'll sit on those and stay square on it. Rear door is adjustable. Is it counter rotating or not? Clueless. Looks like it is in, well, you don't know actually till you turn it on or look up the spec. Anybody knows anything about these Grizzlies? Pretty much all these tillers are made in China now. If there's one made in the US, I haven't found it. But anyway, if you have one, have an opinion on it, be sure and tell me your opinion in the comment section. I'd love to hear it. Bought this, 2 uses. Food plots for the deer up here at the farm, and then simply mount it to a tractor and take down to the factory when I get back to gardening down there. Kind of miss it this year. I didn't get to do it, but it's been so busy at work. I mean, just so busy. A good problem to have, I guess, if I can just keep my head above water. So, a little bit of farmer treasure. I got a good price. I ain't gonna tell you, but it seemed to me to be a fair price. I'm gonna look it up when I get home and see what the cost of a new one is, what the history is on these, if they're still even made. My last one was a Howes, and that company went out of business. So that's how I spend my Sundays. Had an interesting tractor to look at. A little Massey Ferguson, made in Japan. But it wouldn't fit on the trailer with this tiller, so I had to choose one or the other. I got tractors coming out my ears, so I chose the tiller today. So that's about all for this one. Be sure if you have one of these or have experience and know about them, leave me a comment. Kind of give me some feedback. Thank you.